to check this out. This is a 2021 Ford F-150 3.5 liter PowerBoost. This is a Lariat with a 502A package. It's got the chrome appearance package on it, the 20-inch chrome wheels. And this PowerBoost does have the max trailer tow package on it, so you can tow 12,700 pounds with this. It's a lot of weight. Come around here to the back. I'm gonna show you this. Power tailgate release. Get a little beep action going on. Drop it down. Get your workstation back here. You also got some plugins back here with the 2.4 Pro Power onboard system that this wonderful truck has. Also, you still got your original step-up motor. It's nice. So this is your workstation right here. You got a place to put your phone, put your drink, your keys, whatever you want to do. You also got 2 tape measures, 1 in inches, 1 in centimeters. You need to check this awesome feature out. This is a bottle cap opener right here. Got you a nice glass bottle Sunkist. You need to open it up, you can do that. You also got a place here to put your clamps. You stick your clamp in there, tie down your wood, take your saw and just cut right on through. A wonderful feature on this truck is the bed lighting. Let me hit this button right here. Lights come on here, up there, and on the other side you got 4 lights. This thing lights up like it's daytime at 2 o'clock in the morning. Trust me, I've used it. Got to show you this. Comes down, new for 2021, goes back up. Backup cameras, got plugins down here if you got a boat, pulling a boat or a camper. Hook up right there. This camera has a line on it. It's gonna line you right up to it. I'll show you that on the inside. Something I love about this F-150 is the different drive modes. But you got your normal mode. If you go to the left, you got tow haul, you got eco, and I love the screen it changes up here. It makes your F-150 green, and you got a little green screen there. And then also you have the sport, which is an awesome feature. And then also when you put it in sport, it does kick it to the 4A, which is your all-wheel drive on demand. So that's pretty sweet. Then you got slippery and snow and mud, and that is the different modes that you got on this F-150. Some of them have more than others, but I think this one has all of the different drive modes, being a Lariat. Alright, so I just reset it. We're in eco mode. You can check this out. It's all green down there. This vehicle gets 24 miles to the gallon in the city and 24 miles to the gallon on the highway. I want to see what this gets. We're about to do a 15-mile round trip, and I will let you know what it is at the end.
Now another cool thing while we're here, and this is a cool Sync 4 feature, is you can look up eco behavior. Now, with eco behavior, you can track your acceleration, deceleration, and speed, and then basically you're going to want this as close to 100% as you can, and that is going to help you drive more economically. I mean, you're already in a hybrid, but why not get as good a gas mileage as possible?
I don't know if we can show this. This truck just took that turn all by itself. We got a turn coming right up here. So this is actually a really cool feature. I'm gonna hold my hands on the wheel just because I have to, but it's a lot better than what the 2020 was with the adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping system. This one actually will take turns by itself, and Ford is not promoting that anywhere, but I learned that driving it. It's not driving itself, but it pretty much is. It's a very cool feature. I got my hands here just so the truck knows that my hands are on the wheel. Check this out. It's going to take this curve all by itself. And on the 2020s, what it would actually do is it would go lane to lane, line to line, and then it would like tell you, keep your hands on the wheel. It would never let you go off the road, but it wouldn't let you drive for 30 seconds like it has right here with my hands off of the steering wheel.
So now it's going to notify you that.
Gave me a couple beeps because it wasn't on there for an extended period of time. It's actually mind-blowing to me that how smooth and effortless that was for this truck.
Now, another cool thing about the 2021 F-150 is if you get the prep package inside of it, so you want to make sure, but later in 2021, they're actually going to have full self-driving available later this year for all the F-150s with the prep package inside them, so that's something to look out for. It's just really cool. But with the Ford Copilot 360 2.0 program we have right here already, as Terry demonstrated, you can actually get some of those features now.
So we're here on the highway cruising 59, 60 miles per hour, and we're actually in electric driving mode. So we are running solely on the battery. I'm gonna increase it and see when it turns it off on this one. But our average mile per gallon is just going up at an insane rate right now. We were averaging 18.5 when we dropped it down below 65 and the electric driving kicked on, and it's just making it go up almost every second. There we go. We're now back into using gas just at 64 miles per hour. This truck is honestly mind-blowing at this point. I'm so impressed with it. I've been selling brand new F-150s for almost 7 years now. I started selling 2014 was the first model year I sold that was new, and just the advancement in 7 years that Ford has made is out of this world. Like, out of this world. I just can't even comprehend how basic the trucks were then compared to now, as far as the safety technology and the soon-to-be self-driving hardware that these trucks are going to have. So we may not be like the Jetsons in 2020, but this is absolutely insane, the amount of technology that this truck has. I don't think that your average consumer is going to understand the amount of technology that's in these vehicles that Ford is producing nowadays. If you want to learn more about it, you can come in and take a test drive with me, and I will go over some of these features with you. It's hard to learn them just sitting behind a computer screen. I know a lot of people do better hands-on. And I'm at Heritage Ford 9 to 7 Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturday. And you can check out with me, come hang out with me, and we'll go over some vehicles. You don't have to buy one, but I'm here to help you. I want to help my customers learn so they know that the product that they are purchasing and why Ford is worth it. All right, so on the outside, don't forget the chrome package. You got the chrome bumper, you got the chrome wheels, you also got the brand new lighting system that they got. It goes from here all the way down to here. You got that beautiful C shape, looks really good. Also the C shape here, chrome. You got your chrome running boards, the PowerBoost emblem there, looks beautiful. If you got any questions on this F-150 or any of the vehicles we have in stock, give me a call, 812-738-3284. My name's Terry Elliott. I'm awesome. This truck's awesome. You're awesome. Come see me.